So as we've been working, accomplishing a whole bunch of nothing like always. No, I'm just kidding. I wanted to show you the BRembos. They came out nice. What happened?
There was only 6.
6 what? Okay, we'll take them all.
So I said they're already in there.
Okay, tell them to give me a minute. Let's put your hood on. Hey, now that's what I call factory dip, boss. Buddy guy. Well, guy, I got your chicken littles out of here. You know, I wanted to show you the difference between a quality job and a not so quality job. Ready? Why, you ask, am I not removing this? I normally pull the head pins out, but I'm not touching them. I did not install them. I did not have anything to do with it. So at this current time, I refuse to take them out because I'm scared they will not go back in, because they weren't put in to a standard that I'd be comfortable doing. So the repair of the hood is done. You know, now we're gonna go ahead and clear. We got as much repair as possible is done. We got all the slats out, we're gonna clear them. You know, I got a major issue, guys. I have a hood, I have a hood. Hey-haw, hey-haw, I have a hood, I have a hood. So, I gotta see some of the repair. We made it nice, whether you like it or not. Deuces. What are you doing, bro? Oh, I just want everybody to know this is how you properly bleed brakes. Yeah, look at that. Made in the USA, baby. Team USA. Look at them brake boys. Look at them brake boys. Hey, the man of the hour. The brake man. Ha ha! Gotcha. All right, so I'm getting in this here beauty to pump up the volume, No, I'm pumping the brakes. So here we go. Oh, sissies. Now I know why they say big fat guys like me don't deserve GTRs. All right.
Do I need to push the clutch to push the brakes?
Why would you answer that? Well, what's your name, sir?
Johnny Bravo.
So, Johnny Bravo, let me ask you a couple questions, Johnny Bravo.
Yes, sir.
So, what did you do to this car?
I blew it up and you saved it.
I don't blow up and save. I'm not a mechanic, guys. No, I'm just kidding. But, you know, we made the hood look pretty good, I would say. You know, we're gonna find Waldo now. Sorry about that. My tool, but
Yes.
it's okay. You know, everybody, to that lovely carbon fiber brake. The repair came out nice. You know, we did some cool customized kind of Japanese style stuff where you cut up stuff you pay for and make it just look good. Well, here you go. One of. This is an overpriced Chevy Impala.
Hey.
2000 or what, 93?
94.
Okay, so it's a 94 Chevy Impala SS. It's the two-door version. See, they made a two-door. Since Johnny Bravo's here, he'll tell you all about it. You drive on the opposite side since it is an Impala. It's got a wife for a seat. You know, it says bride. All right, well, you really want to know, it's a Silva. It's a Nissan Quest. No, I'm just kidding. There you guys go. We did some cool customizing. I kind of like it.
The puff can job was cool too.
Yeah. Can you guys believe I'm pretty good with dollar puff cans? I was gonna say, what the hell's that? All right, we're good. So it came out nice, buddy. What do you think?
Came out amazing.
Amazing. Amazing. Sort of like these BRembos. See these things, man? I don't like them. Booth lights, this is what we got. So this BMW has seen plenty of better days. This is just a quick patch job. Highly not recommended to leave these in. But since it is, I won't say from where, either loaner, rental, or lease, and it's going back, we did a quick bamboozle and fixed a concaved, must be replaced door, quarter, and possibly a front door, but you never know what happened here. We just, you know, made it look factory and it'll go back. You know? I like it. I like it. Hey, Johnny Bravo.
Yes, sir.
I kind of like it.
I kind of like it.
What do you say about this job? What do you think about it?
It's amazing.
Yeah, what do you think, Tom? Can you tell someone beat it up?
Nope.
Me neither. Well, I think it's good enough. Oh, just so everybody can see, you're supposed to touch the clear. So people go, oh my God, it's wet looking. Look, 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 you ready? Here you go. Doo-goo, doo-goo, doo-goo. Make sure you play tic-tac-toe and then show everybody. Because when you take a picture of a car in a booth, don't just say it's shiny, people, it's still wet. Tell the painter, take his finger and touch it. When he can take his finger and it doesn't come out the color of the car, or sticky and cleary or tacky or whatever you want to call it, glue looking, that's when you know you got a paint job. And it still has the potential of snapping back or flashing back. So don't always go by what you see in a picture online. Trust me on that. Just because it's shiny today and wet looking doesn't mean it's gonna stay that way. Slow, slow. Slow. Ooh, you're scrubbing. You're good. Here we go. So we're now currently involved in a box. This is how you don't do your fenders. When you want to roll fenders and roll your quarters and make it look more aggressive, you don't fill it with foam and encase it unless you're going to do it with fiberglass resin and matting. But when you sit here, and this is what you call your resin or your encasement. Now I'm currently involved in this nightmare of a wannabe car. Here you go. Ready? It got wet. It's rotting. They put Bondo here. Look how thick that foam is. That's how they decided they were going to build these fenders. Now we got to strip it. We got to redo it and do it properly. So both sides are going to get cut. Both are going to get redone, and then we're gonna have to make them so it's not all wiggly wobbly and sucking in, because that's what foam does over time. Foam ceases, just like your house. You got to reseal, recaulk, refoam, because it shrinks. Do not put this on your vehicle. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's wavy and it's sucked in certain areas, and in certain areas it's not. That foam is for your windows, not for your car. Go. How not to properly foam your fenders. You're not supposed to put foam on your fenders anyways. At least he put adhesion promoter and it's stuck, huh?
Yeah, and good material too.
Yeah? They put good material?
No, you want to do this?
No, you want to put this. This is insulation for a house. Every couple of years you got to redo your house, so you make sure you do this so you can come see me and I can charge you a whole lot more. I'm for it. I have no problem charging it. It's 2021. I'm damn sure going to charge it. Bet you don't see my repair now. Roll.
Illegal music playing now.
Making my way to the booth. Making my way to the booth. Hi-ho, America. What are you doing, buddy? there was a hole there. Not no more. That's what you call done right, brothers. Done right once again.